guys, welcome back to RhomanysRealm. I'm Romany, and it's been a little while since we've done a witchy unboxing video, so I have one for you. This is a new box that has just come out, and this is the very first box, which was the Ostara Beltane box. So anyone who subscribed to the box got a lovely surprise because I didn't do my video in time. I hope you enjoyed opening it up. You can get the June box right now over on the website. I'll put all the links below. The shop is called Eye of Newt shop, and it's based in Scotland, up in Dundee, and it's run by the lovely Emma Penman. She contacted me and said, would I like to review one of her boxes, just not as a video, but just, you know, as a tester to see what I thought of the contents of the box. And I said, of course I will. And here's the video, because I could not do a video, could I? Come on. So, I'm going to open up the box, show you what we've got inside, and give you my thoughts on what we get. This is what it looks like. It's a big box. Big box. I'm going to move the box to one side, but here's a little sneak peek. Ta-da! So this is what you get on top of your box. This is your Welcome to Sabbat box letter. So this is for Ostara and Beltane. Gives you a little bit of information about the Sabbats here, and about the subscription box up here, and about the owner of the subscription box as well. There's some information on how to decorate your altar for the Sabbats that are listed, and there's a full list of the contents in the Sabbat box as well, plus all the contact links you need, including their address up in Dundee in Scotland. The idea of this box is that it's made by pagans for pagans, and it's avoiding the mass market appeal. Oh, that's really pretty. So this is a little photo paper print, and it's by Danita Mendes Cavill. So it's a little print, looks to be about 6x4, pretty little Ostara hair. Isn't that lovely? That would be really nice to put in a picture frame on your altar or something like that. Or even in your book of shadows. What else have we got? Let's have a look. We have got some Eye of Newt Beltane Ritual Incense. Now, did it tell us what was in the Beltane Ritual Incense? Nope, just loose ritual incense. Looks nice. Looks like it's got some rose petals in there. Oh, that smells lovely. We also have Chamomile Incense. Sit back, relax and enjoy the subtlety of chamomile as the aromas of the incense infuse the air around you. Unlike my incense, it doesn't tell you on the boxes what the different incense is for, so you'd have to look that one up. Oh, this is pretty. Got a pendant holder. This is for a crystal. These wire wraps are for a crystal. You can buy these cheap off a market, but this looks like it's been handmade actually. There's no tag or anything on it to say who's made it. But it's very pretty. What else do we have? Sorry about the light, it's decided to go very dark today. Ooh! A pack of rosemary, marigold and hibiscus. I love the little frog, he's so cute. Very nice. Else we have a bottle of Ostara oil. Again, it doesn't indicate what's in it, and it's sealed, so I don't really want to open it to find out. It just says Ostara oil. It's a shame it doesn't tell you what's in the actual oil itself. I think that would be nice to know. Ostara, nope. Just says Ostara anointing oil contains nut products. So it's probably almond oil based. And we've got some charcoal discs for burning our Beltane incense, which is useful. And I'm just about out of mine, so that's a very timely one there. We have a moss agate and a carnelian in our little Tumblestones box. It's another couple of tumblestones for my collection. We've got another pack of herbs here. Oh no, this is a smudge stick. Sage by the smell of it. So a smudging stick for your altar. And then we've got this. I don't know what this is. Well, that's pretty. Again, there's no tag on it or anything to say who's made it. It does say on here that like the oils and incense and stuff are put together by her. Incense holder. Oh, it does say who it's from. Wynne Abbott Ceramics. But there's no information other than that. So you'd have to Google Wynne Abbott Ceramics. That's a bit of a tongue tie. But look at this. This is really beautiful. I'm going to zoom in on this so you can see it a little bit better. So here's our incense holder. It's got little hairs on it. Isn't that cute? It's got a little holder in the centre where presumably you put your incense stick. And here it's got a triple goddess moon sign. But look at those little hairs, aren't they adorable? And it's like blue glass ceramic. Might be resin. Might be ceramic with resin. It's fired clay. So it might have resin over the top. But it's really pretty. Look how sparkly it is. Oh, I like that. That's so cute. Overall, not a bad selection at all. It's a nice, non-generic box. I like the fact that they've included with the burning incense, the loose incense, the charcoal sticks to actually burn it. A lot of people don't have that. I like the fact that not only do they include the ceramic holder, but they also thought to put some incense sticks as well, so that you've got something to actually burn if you don't have to wait and go out and find some incense sticks or anything like that. Overall, it's a nice little box. The handmade element doesn't come across massively in the box until you get to the bigger stuff, but I think overall it's rather nice. It's very different to anything I've received before, and this makes it worth it more than anything else. This is beautiful, and this is just amazing. I love this. I like the way she's thought about, well, if I'm going to give you some tumblestones, then I'll give you an appropriate size holder to put your tumblestones in. So you just slot your tumblestone in there. Oh, it's a tight one. That's how you can tell it's handmade, because it's really tight. The ones that are not handmade, you go like that and they just spring open. This one is quite stiff. So that's rather pretty. I think overall it's got a good balance of here's things we've put together that we've made and things that are generic, like, you know, your tumblestones and your incense sticks and your charcoal discs. It's very practical to have those as well. So I think altogether not a bad box at all, and it's really nice to have the relevant herbs and incense and oils specifically for the Sabbats. I don't really celebrate the Sabbats as such, but I do like to decorate my altar and burn the appropriate incense. I will certainly put this little chap in a frame to use as a little altar decoration. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing of the brand new Eye of Newt Sabbat box from Eye of Newt shop in Scotland. I don't know if they ship internationally. You will have to check their website for that. She didn't give me that information in the email. But usually there is an ability to get an international shipping, but it will cost you more in postage. The postage itself for the UK is free and included in your subscription, which is £30 for a quarterly box. So £30 per box, 4 boxes per year, totaling 120 if you buy boxes individually, but if you want a full year subscription, you can pay £120 and save £20 on the full cost, which is quite nice actually. That reduces the cost quite significantly. The £30 per box works out approximately £10 a month, so it is very comparable with other boxes that are out there, and in fact it works out a little bit cheaper because their postage is free, so that's always a good thing. Check out the links down below to look at Emma's shop and her Facebook groups. They're also on Instagram. I've put all their links in the description box. And thank you, Emma, for sending me a box to have a look at. It's been really nice and I will enjoy my goodies. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye.